Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you that how to make payments from WeChat and what are the basic services you can get from the WeChat. So you will click on me and then services, and there are, you can see there are multiple services. You can manage them from here, manage services, and you can add or drop some option if you want to add and drop. You can see that there is Tencent charity, so I have disabled it. For example, T3 Go, I don't know what is actually this, so I have disabled it, and there are some other options. You can manage them. Let's go back. These are some options. For example, from here you can top up in your mobile. Then there are some other utility services. I don't actually use these because I have separate application for most of the things. For example, this is Didi. For taxi, I don't use taxi. This is Pintoto. This is Jintong. I use in a different application. In next videos I am going to tell you that how to use Jintong, how to buy things from the Pintoto, and either you should use Jintong or Pintoto or Taobao, which is good in which kind of cases, and what is how to use this food delivery application. So if you want some specific application detail, I have a lot of information about these things. You can comment, I will tell you further. Now let's move to the payment. How to make payment. This is my wallet. In my wallet currently there are 12.17 RMB. These RMBs are in my WeChat account. Remember that these are in my WeChat account, it's not in my bank account. And let's open this. You can see this is my balance. If I want to add some money in this WeChat, I can do the top up, and if I want to send this money to my bank account, I can withdraw. So these are top and withdraw. You can add from bank account and send back to the bank account. Here you are going to see my transaction, which I don't want to show you, so let's go back. Second option is cards. You can add your bank card here. You can see this is my Bank of Communication bank card. If I want to further add bank card, I can also bank card, but you see that it require a payment password, which I actually don't have any card to add, so I'm going back. Let's go back further. So you know that what is balance, what is cards. These three are not really necessary, so we are going to the ID information. If you want to use the payment services of WeChat, you need to identify yourself. In that case, you are going to enter your I show you. In this case, you need to enter your information here. So this is my, you can see that's Hujao, and I am from Pakistan, then boy, and this is my name which is hidden. This is my passport number, this is my passport validity. My source of payment is I am Shueshang, and this is my phone number and address. You are going to add this information if you want to use the WeChat payment services. So I go back and further back. Last one is the payment setting. Let's open this option. You can see that this is password exempt pay, which I don't want to actually enable. This is the change payment password, forget password, finger print pay is available or not. I have enabled it already. In case your mobile should have this option, obviously. And other people can transfer me via mobile number or not, or cancel WeChat pay. So these are some further options. Now we are going back and see how to make payments. So I'm going to click on money. This is there will be a QR code which I have disabled because I wanted to make this video. If I will enable, there is a WeChat QR code which I can use to make payments. If I want to receive money, I can click here, receive money. This is a QR code I can send to other person, and other person will send me some amount of money. But if I want to receive a specific amount like 10 RMB maybe, I will click OK, and I save this code. Now other person will scan my code and he can send me 10 RMB, which I am going to receive in 10 RMB. This is reward code. I never used it and I don't think so it is necessary. Third one is split bill. If you are like eating with American system or Go Dutch also called, so you can use this payment system. For example, first person make a payment of 100 RMB, and you are total 4 people. So you are going to select chat. These are groups. You can select the group, or you can select the specific people, maybe 3 people, and you will select those 3 people, and 100 RMB will split between 4 people, one you and 3 other people, like 25 for each. So this is how you split bill. Packet necessary nearby, it's not really necessary, so I'm going to skip it. Then transfer to bank card or mobile number. You can send money to other people's bank card as well, but I don't use this option, because if I use, they are going to deduct some, like maybe 0.1% or 0.01%, something like that. I think 0.01 or 1, I don't remember actually. So you can click this, and you need to enter the other person's bank information, and you can send money to their bank account. This is transfer to mobile number. If you want to transfer someone on your someone mobile number, the other option, you remember that I have to enable that option, and then I can send via the mobile number, which I also never used. Now we go back, and everything is like done, but there is one another option. For example, if I want to pay someone on shop and they show me their QR code, how to do that? In that case, I will go to this plus sign and then scan. So their camera is open, you can see this is camera, and I will scan QR code and make enter password, and in that case I can make the payment. You can also select the picture, but I'm not going to open it. So this is how you can use these payment services and some other services, which I already told that I'm going to make video about it. If you need to ask something, you can contact me in comments, and you can also use the mobile top-up option here. In next video, I am going to make a video about Alipay payment systems,